Over the last few months, we've built a complete 2D platformer together here on the channel, but now it's time for something new. I've been working on a brand new 3D game project, and in this upcoming series, we're going to build it from scratch together in Unity. We'll start with a basic axe and explore a small space with forests and a stone deposit. As you play, you'll be able to chop down trees for wood, mine stone with a pickaxe, sell your resources for gold, and then use the gold to upgrade your tools, or use the gold for this NPC with a fully fledged dialogue system where he asks you to collect 500 gold for him. The game world will be built using Unity's terrain tools. We will also implement a fully working sound system, and as you can see, if I stop the game and start it again, we have implemented a save and load system which saves the resources you've collected and the current position of your player. Everything you see on screen was built in Unity, and throughout the series I'll show you exactly how each system works step by step. The first episode launches soon, and I can't wait to get started. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the first episode.